Hello guys, I am Aleka Reddy. Today I am discussing with the members of Indian Ocean Rim Association IORA. Okay, this is seminar is conducted on illegal, unreported, unregulated fishing was conducted at the Naval War College, Goa. Okay, that's why we have seen in news. Okay, about this IORA is established in 1997. This is a multilateral organization comprising 23 member countries from Asia, Africa, West Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Australia. IORA was inspired by speech by Nelson Mandela in 1995, and also his mainly focus on cooperation among Indian Ocean states. Okay, cooperation among Indian Ocean speech by Nelson Mandela, very famous speech. This IORA main aim is